Today I'm going to teach you how to adjust opacity in Squarespace with CSS. This is a powerful customization technique that allows you to control the transparency of specific elements on your website, giving you much more design flexibility than the standard Squarespace editor provides. First, head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your websites. From here, simply click on the website where you want to adjust opacity using CSS. This will open up the editor for that specific site. Now, on the left side menu, click on Website, and directly under it, you'll see an option called Pages. Click on that. This is where you manage all the pages and structure of your site. For this tutorial, I'm using a Chrome extension called Squarespace ID Finder, which makes the process much easier. This extension allows me to see the unique ID of any specific element or block on my website, which is essential for targeting elements with custom CSS. Next, go back to the left side menu and click on Custom Code. Under that option, click on Custom CSS. This is where you'll be adding your code to control the opacity of different elements. The Custom CSS panel is your workspace for making design tweaks that aren't available through Squarespace's standard settings. Now, I'll activate the Squarespace ID Finder by clicking on it in my extensions bar. Once it's active, I can simply click on any element on my page, and the extension will automatically copy its unique ID. This is incredibly useful because each block or section has its own ID and you need that to target it precisely with CSS. After clicking on the element I want to adjust, the ID gets copied to my clipboard. I'll then paste it into the custom CSS field. Right after the ID, I'll input some opacity code. The opacity property in CSS controls transparency and uses values from 0 to 1, where 0 is fully transparent and 1 is fully opaque. For example, if I want an element to be 50% transparent, I would add opacity: 0.5. You'll want to repeat this process for whatever blocks or elements you want to adjust. Simply click on the element using the ID Finder extension, paste the ID into the custom CSS field, and then add your desired opacity value. This gives you complete control over the visual hierarchy and design aesthetic of your site. Once you've made all your adjustments and you're happy with how everything looks, click Save. Your changes will now be applied to your live site, and the opacity adjustments will be visible to anyone viewing your website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.